How to hide a collapsed keyboard. On iPhone 2025 updated tutorial. Number 1. Tap outside the text field. The most common method, tap anywhere outside the input field, blank space, another part of the screen to collapse the keyboard. It works in most apps like Safari, Notes, Messages, etc. Number 2. Use the keyboard dismiss button, down arrow or keyboard icon. Some apps and views show a keyboard down arrow icon or keyboard icon at the bottom right or top right of the keyboard. Tap that icon to hide the keyboard, common in apps like Safari, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Number 3. Swipe down on the screen, app dependent. In some apps, like Safari or Facebook, you can swipe down on the content above the keyboard to collapse it. But doesn't work in all apps. Number 4. Press return or done key.in apps that include a done, return, or close button on the keyboard, tapping that often collapses the keyboard. And for number 5. Use a back gesture in Safari or Messages. In Safari, swiping from left to right to go back will auto-hide the keyboard. In Messages, tapping the back arrow or swiping down can also dismiss it. Bonus, for iPads or external keyboards, you can hide the on-screen keyboard by tapping the keyboard icon on the bottom right and selecting Hide Keyboard. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.